Hello everyone and welcome to my first Sony Vegas tutorial. In this video I'll be showing you a cool text lightning effect that I discovered. So first, when you come to Sony Vegas, what you want to do is make 2 video tracks. Then go to media generators, text, and drag in some text. Now edit it however you want it. And the font I use is Birth of a Hero, and make it bigger, and just change the color to pink. So this is how it will look. Then go to media generators and noise texture and drag in lightning. Now what you want to do here is change the minimum to about 5. Now change the color of whatever color you want. I'll go with orange, and then drag this little thing into the end and put progress in degrees to about 7. Okay, now you can close this up and go to press this little button, track motion of the lightning track. Now rotate it 90 degrees, and what you can do is make it a little bit bigger. If I can make it, okay, make it a little bit bigger if you want, you don't have to. And then go to press this little compositing mode button of the text track and press overlay. And if we play it, then you'll see this little thing is wobbling, and it will show the text. And now what you want to do is fade it a little bit, so the ending result will be like this. So thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed my first Sony Vegas tutorial, and I'll see you guys later.